Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be making very quick stew. Like this stew is, that kind of days whereby you don't feel like cooking so much, but you just want to make something quick yet very delicious. So this is the kind of stew we are going to be making today. Guys, I started by frying the onion and the green bell pepper, as you can see right now. So let's just give it a little stir. Guys, I'm loving the color already. Next, I'll be adding the tomato. So this is the kind of tomato we usually get in this our area. Left for me, I like to buy the thick tin tomato, but then we hardly see that one. So this one is readily available. Well, let's just make do with what we have. Next, I'm adding salt to taste and of course pepper. Like pepper. I can't imagine cooking without pepper. Next is turmeric powder, as you guys can see. And of course, curry powder. Let's add the seasoning cube. Guys, I told you this is going to be a very quick stew. Can you imagine this? Like, can you just imagine? Right now, our stew is almost as good as ready. You know what, if you are very hungry and you want to eat something delicious, like let's say rice and stew, for example, you don't need to take all the days of the day, the hours of the day to cook. Guys, this is a quick method to make yourself a delicious soup that you can use to eat your rice. I did not fry the fish, I just placed the fish inside the things I'm frying already. Let them all fry together. Like, it's a quick stew, right? So guys, at this point in time, we are going to allow the fish to fry cook. Yeah, fry cook, because I'm yet to add water. So the liquid you are seeing there is from the vegetable oil. So it's still like you are frying the fish indirectly. It will not really be like cooked fish. It will still look in between cook and fry. Yeah, because we did not add water at this point in time. So guys, this way you can make yourself a delicious pot of stew or a pan of stew, whatever you want to call it. Guys, ta-da! Our stew is ready. Clock it.